We're not. Let's go back inside, see what is happening. Right, so the other day I've been doing a lot of measuring. I'm trying to work out where I was going to drill up inside the van to put this heater duct. Anyway, I'm going to show you now. Now, I was the most luckiest bloke alive, I think, on that day. So anyway, as you can see, lucky, that's where the hole is. And this arrow here was actually where I thought it was going to come in. So I'm within about 10 millimeters of actually the correct position I wanted it to be in. So I've drilled that hole. I've also drilled another hole here. Was going to use this bit of silicone pipe, but instead I've got this pipe which is going to fit inside there like that. So once I've cut that, I'm going to fix that down in there, and then there's going to be a few pipes come up through there, which I'll show you when they come up through there. And also I'm going to drill another hole, I think here if I'm correct, and that's going to be for the gas dropout vent. So the gas bottle is going to be mounted in here in the aluminium framework. Yeah, we need to have our dropout vent. We was originally going to bring the water pipes up here, or are we still going to bring the water pipes up there? No, that's right. No, we're going to bring them in there, and which is better for us to bring them all in here, because that is where there's going to be a drawer. There can be a drawer in the aluminium over there, and we won't be able to open and shut the drawer to its full extent if we have cables coming up the back. So right, so in a second I'm going to get on and drill these, and then we're going to have to see how we get on. Right, so the ducting's in. By a long shot it's not finished, but I had to drill it 80mm from the outside, 86 inside, and then open it out with the old die grinder. And yeah, so we've still got the other two holes to do, and I'm going to do them now. Right guys, so there we go. Got the holes drilled. I'll put some paint around there and underneath, so it's all pretty much protected now. Looks like a bit of Swiss cheese, but it's going to be a dropout vent. All the pipe work in, which is going to be 2 cold water feeds in. Well, actually it's going to be 1 in and 1 out, because I want to have an outdoor shower. One's the big ones for the vent, and the small ones are the dropout for the gas. So hopefully drilling done. So let that dry for a bit, and come back and start fitting the pipe work. Right, morning. Already been out collecting parts, so been to get some more of this water hose and a wire piece, so we can get that inside the van and hopefully get this water pipe run one piece last night, so hopefully we're going to get on and get some more of that installed. Then after that, I don't know what we're going to do. I've just seen a sink at the yacht chandlers, and I quite like the look of it, but I don't know if it's going to fit. So I'm going to have a measure up. I might even have to make a template just in case. But I really need to get this van off these stands today. I'm sick of looking at it out there, and I want to finish off the diesel heater. So that's the main goal for today, is to get the heater maybe run up as well before we get it all taken off the stands, and maybe get it all boxed up as well. So let's start with the pipe work.
I've been there have to stay afloat. It's nicer. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I left behind me. Just live behind me. Just live
Right, so I don't know if you can hear that. I'm priming the pump. Never quite sure what to do here. I'm not sure if I should just. There should be diesel up there now. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look. I mean, there was diesel right to the filter anyway, so. Let's have a look. It's all good. There's our little pump up there, bubbling away. Looks alright. There we go. So there's our diesel. In fact, we've got diesel there now already. So you can see the air in it. If I can get air in them, you can see it's here. You can hear that. It's pretty quiet actually, it's not too bad. After hearing what people had said about it vibrating, I'm quietly pleased with that. So, right, let's see if we can get the thing to fire up. Probably the hottest day of the year so far, and I'm about to fire up a diesel heater. Absolute nutter. But anyway. Right. So, here we go. I think I'll just press the on button now. Right, so got glow plug. I think that's the glow plug. It's just a waiting game now. Anyway, so far so good. We have run this on the bench, so I'll bring you back in a minute when we get it going. Right, so should have left it running. Oh, I can smell her. She's kicking out some smoke. Oof, chugger. So it's starting to go now. We've got a bit of smoke. Oh, we've got delivery man as well. Smoking a lot. Didn't smoke that much before. But I suppose it's. Yeah, look, you can really hear that starting to go now. Give this a good run today. I mean, that's not going to hurt my exhaust pipe, is it? Does, we'll just direct it elsewhere, but it's out of where we want it to be. Woo! We're not. Let's go back inside, see what is happening. Oh look! Oh yeah, we got hot air. How novel. Hot air coming up my pipe. What I'm interested to see is how warm my pipe gets Weird thing to say. But oh look, she's up there now. I don't really want to play about with the controls at the moment. I just want to. What's that do? Oh, 35. Shit, don't need that hot. Turn it down. Turn it. What do we want it on? 25? That's bloody hot. Start melting shit. Oh, sorry. Excuse the French. Quite warm. In fact, very warm. Alright, well, we'll have to see how we go here. We'll see how we go. Yeah, hotter than I thought. A lot hotter. Let's have a look now. Oh, clean as a whistle now. Clean as a whistle. Yeah, that's really kicking out some hot. I'll have to do something about these other bits here. So we're going to end up with problems like melting a hole in our water pipe. And the heater's on cool down now, but what I have discovered is that ducting I've used, well, it's going to have to probably not be used. I don't know. But it got very hot. Obviously that's why they use the black stuff. But the heater worked fine. Absolutely no problem at all. Got very hot. I don't think we're going to need it very high. And we purged it out for a few minutes, about 4 minutes. And then we've turned it off. You can see it's cooling down now. We had it on 23 minutes, not very long. So yeah, really pleased with the working of it. And to change that bit of ducting is pretty straightforward, to be honest. Cut the one Jubilee clip, slip it off, and change it out. So yeah, really pleased with that. There it goes. It's turned off. So that's all good. Right, just a quick update video. I've dumped this pipe now. I've now swapped out. Can't believe how quick it got here, to be honest. It's come from Hong Kong or China or somewhere like that. And I've swapped out back underneath. Oh, hernia's playing me up. And yeah, so we swapped out to this, which is the correct stuff. And I can't believe how it got quick. Say again, got it so quick. So yeah, just gonna pop that in, get the covers back on, and get out of here because it's so hot. But yeah, it's all looking good. But yeah, that was just a quick update, and I'll show you some more soon.